from Latcabang Station going to Payatay tayo. Let's go! Nakapag-check-in na kami. Finally! Tara, room tour tayo. Look, amazing! Fairness. Look. Yay! So, our home for the next few days. Hey besties! Ayan, mag-check out na kami dito sa morning hostel. And, ayan, nag-change outfit na ako guys. Kasi, wala. Grabe, parang ang kate ng ano ko. Kanina kasi, parang marami na yung alikabok. Alikabok. Kasi naot ko kahapon pa yun eh. So, ayan, we are going na sa aming second accommodation or second Airbnb namin dun sa Bangkok City na mismo. So, ayan, ito yung outfit ko. Butod yung tiyan. Ayan, so let's go! Ready na kami. So, here's our luggage. Let's go. So, ayan guys, nag-download ako ng Bolt. So, mag-Bolt kami from Latcabang going to Latcabang Station. Currently, we are at 2 Latcabang 42 Ali. So, ayan, mag-Bolt tayo. 60 baht going to Latcabang Airport Rail Link na station. So, confirm. Guys, grabe ka. Limuot. Ayan, nag-download lang kami ng Bolt app. Kasi ito yung... ayan, meron na. Wow, grabe ang init. So, ayan guys, nandito na. Ang bilis in fairness. So, tara na. Hello. Good morning. So, let's go! First Bolt ride experience. Hey, so, ang bilis niya guys, as in. No? Ang bilis mag-book, tapos ang bilis dumating yung rider. Amazing! Yan guys, we're here na sa Latcabang Station. Dito na tayo magsakay ng Airport Rail Link going to Payatay Station para mag-change ng BTS going to Thonburi. We're here. Here. So, 60 baht yung total na babayaran namin. Ay, sorry. Thank you! Yan, nandito na tayo guys. Ayan guys, so mag-lift kami kasi we have 4 luggages. Laban. Pero wala pa tong laman guys. Yung mga luggage namin talaga. Kasi, mag-ano pa tayo. Bibili tayo. Mag-shopping daw kami rito, char. Ayan.
ท่านผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบเพื่อความสะดวกรวดเร็วผู้โดยสารที่มีความประสงค์จะเดินทางเที่ยวเดียวสามารถออกเหรียญโดยสารได้ที่เครื่องออกบัตรโดยสาร
So, from Latcabang Station going to Payatay tayo. Ito yung token. And then, yung change. Ito yung change. Ito yung sukli namin. Ito yung parang itap namin para sa train. Struggle is real. Ate Peter, to Payatay. Ayan. So, Payatay. Dito tayo. Okay ka? Lumalaban kami. Oh, ipakita mo yung ano mo, muscles. Ayan, so we're going na sa Payatay Station. Don't, don't wala-wala your coin, ticket coin. Okay guys, so ito yung station nila. Okay, ka-struggle. Ayun lang mag-wait. Ayan, so we are here at Lacabang Station.
Train is approaching. Attention please. A train is approaching. โปรดทราบขบวนรถกำลังเข้าสู่ชานชาลาโปรดทราบขบวนรถกำลังเข้าสู่ชานชาลา
Let's go! Struggle is real again because of the luggages. Pero we can do this. Okay. Hey! Nasa train na kami. Hello! Hey besties! Finally, we made it na sa Krungtonbori Station kasi yan yung nearest station sa Airbnb namin dito sa Bangkok City na talaga. So yan! Look guys! Stairs! Tapos we have 4 luggages. Aja! Kaya natin to! Let's go! Tingnan nyo! Let's go! Oh my God! Kakapoy! Oh! Hey besties! So ayan, we are finally here at the Saturn, yes. Ayan, nakapag-check-in na kami. Finally! Super funny guys kasi nag-request kami pwede ba kami makapag-early check-in? Pero, yan, sinabi lang, okay daw. Since 3 PM sana yung check-in namin, so they allowed us na 1 PM, pwede na daw mag-check-in. Pero, medyo naligaw din kami ng konti, slight lang. So, mga 2:30 PM na ngayon. So, almost check-in time rin namin. Parang hindi kami naka-utilize ng early check-in. Pero anyway, we are still so happy with our accommodation naman. Tara, room tour tayo. So yan guys, ito yung door. So dito, as usual, ito mga switch niya. Ayan, lights on, lights off na switch. Ayan, then meron ditong remote for the aircon. And ito is the CR. So, okay, check muna natin ang CR. Ayan. Oh! Ayan siya. Agoy! So they provide us toothbrush and toothpaste. Good for 2. Ayan, very nice. Amazing. So, may outlet dyan. Then, parang may something na hand soap lang dyan. Then, ito yung sink, which is, tingnan natin yung, niya. Oh, amazing yung water nila, guys. And then, may mirror lang dito. Ayan. Sobrang haggard ko, guys, as in, I know. So, chill lang kayo dyan, char. So, eto naman, right after it is, ito yung toilet niya. Meron silang bidet, which is amazing. So, eto, meron lang silang parang mini trash can. Ayan. They provide us tissue as well. And then, here is the shower. So, I believe meron din itong heater. Ayan. So, which is nice. So, medyo maliit yung niya. Shower room. Pero may shower curtain naman. Ayan. Pero, sobrang orange ng shower room nila. Ayan. So, meron din ditong faucet. So, meron din silang parang dito, guys. Oh. I believe body wash. Then, this one is shampoo and conditioner yata to. Siguro. Ayan. So, we can use that one. And then, in here, meron silang sabitana ng towel. And then, yeah, that's it. Ayan. So, door ng ating... So, meron siyang parang mini dito, guys. Aesthetic-ish na design. Ayan. So, basically, ito yung niya. CR. In fairness, guys, maganda naman siya. I mean, malinis. Yan. Pero I just don't like yung orange na kulay. Sorry. And then, right after that one is eto, yung cabinet. So we can put our luggages here. Oh, nice! Meron silang safety box also. Meron silang basket for, siguro for laundry in case you... Kasi meron pa silang laundry dito guys. So you can use that one as well. Oh, ang laki niya guys. As in. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo gaano kalaki siya. Yan o. Ang laki niya as in. Ang laki niya. Ayan. Ang laki talaga niya. Ayan. Sobrang laki. So we can put our luggages here lang siguro. Then we can use this one. Then pwede pa lang ano. Mayroon silang plancha din. Meron din silang parang ito. So I guess we can use that one. So meron pa pala dito. Pwede kayo mag-store dyan ng clothes nyo. So amazing. Meron silang umbrella guys. Eh. So siguro gagamitin natin yan if uulan talaga. And next is, right after the cabinet is dito, may mirrors sila guys. Ang ganda. Close muna natin ito. So, tingnan nyo guys, mirror, ang laki. Ang laki ng mirror nila guys. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang laki. Tapos mayroon lang parang aesthetic lang na design. So, I love the mirror here. As in. Tapos, what I love about this one is also, is meron silang sleepers. Dalawa. They provide us 2 sleepers. Ayan. Amazing. And then, dito is the TV. So, I believe, sana merong Netflix nito. Hopefully. So, you guys, more compartments here. So, meron silang for trash bin yata to. May extra tissue, ganyan. Ay! Meron silang blower. Amazing! What's this? Lampshade? I guess. Then, flashlight. Yan, flashlight na. So, may gunting din. Oh! Meron silang sewing kit. And all. So, yan. And then, right after this one is, eto guys. Parang ano siya, mini table / pwede tayong kakain dyan. We have here reminders and everything. So, we have here 2 chairs. Tapos, may heater sila. Ayan. So, outlet again. So, they provide us... Look! Amazing! Welcome, Chelsea Nina. We're so happy you arrived safely and hope you have no troubles in your travel here. We want you to consider this house your home away from home, even if you are only here a few days. If you have any questions, feel free to text me, your host, Tara. Wow! Hello! Amazing! First time ko maka-receive ng ganito sa isang guys, sa isang host. Wow! I love this. I will keep this one for sure. Yan. Amazing guys. Nakakakilig. So yan. Meron silang parang dito guys. Oh. For coffee, then ito for drinks. So they provide us also hot choco, then coffee. Yan. And biscuits, okay, for snacks. Yan yung snacks natin. And then, meron din parang candy pala dito. Oh, amazing. I love this one. And then, microwave meron. Then, they also have trash can here. Then, guys, very aesthetic. Oh, very nice ng curtain nila. Very Laishu bells. So, here's the aircon. So, we have here lampshades. Then, meron ding outlet dyan, which is amazing. And, of course, meron dyang minimalist na decor. And the room itself! No, the bed itself. Ang ganda! Guys, ang laki niya, guys. In fairness. No. Yay! So, our home for the next few days. Our home for the next 7 days. Pero, tomorrow, we will go to another city. Mag-overnight na naman tayo dun. Yes, guys, I know. We booked 3 Airbnbs. Sorry guys. Yes guys, marami tayong room tour sa travel na ito kasi we've stayed 3 Airbnbs. I don't know.
You don't know why.
I don't know why, pero first kasi, yung first na pinagsayahan natin sa airport is amazing din yun kasi free breakfast. So, parang we are tired na kasi. And one thing din kasi is, basta guys, na-explain ko na siya sa previous vlog. Just watch it na lang dun why we've stayed dun sa Airbnb near sa airport. So, please watch if you haven't watched it. I'll put the link in the description box below. Ayan guys, so eto yung bed niya. So, may side table lang here. Then, mayroon siyang tissue, then outlet. And of course, the ref. Super blue. Ito yung mga kutsara ang tinidor dito. So, this one, okay, mga plates lang. Ayan. So, open natin yung ref. Okay. In fairness, malaki yung ref nila. Meron siyang water. Free water as well. And, yeah, basically, that's it. Sobrang ganda ng aming accommodation, guys. We've booked this one again sa Airbnb. Ito talagang Airbnb yung gusto naming, mga accommodations talaga. Kasi, wala, we feel lang namin, meron kaming friend na taga rito kasi one chat away lang yung host. So, yun yung parang advantage or nakaganda if mag-book kayo sa Airbnb. For me, yun. I love nung may pa-letter sila. Ay, super nice. No, cute kayo. Wala, na-appreciate ko talaga as in. So, ayan, mag-freshen up lang kami. Chill siguro ng konti, mag-freshen up para next is punta tayo sa ating first itinerary. And hopefully, merong sunset doon. Uy, it's kinda cloudy here. Oh, di ba guys? Amazing! Super ganda, ayan. So, mag-chill muna kami. Siguro mag-coffee and then yung biscuits na binigay nila. Ayan. Later guys, i-tour ko kayo sa building mismo. Wow! Building! Okay. Ay, by the way guys, meron tong balcony. Okay. Punta tayo sa balcony. So, siya? Parang apartment style talaga dito guys. Ayan. Oh, tingnan nyo. So cloudy. Ayan. Ito yung balcony nila. Ayan. So, meron din parang lagayan dito. If in case nagpa-laundry kayo. Ayan. So, yan yung view namin. So, para talaga siyang guys, apartment. Mini apartment. So, this building and that building is same lang siya na the Enrich Saturn. Saturn? Yan. I don't know. So, currently, we will do boiling water. Boiling water! Guys! Lutang na kayo ko! Sorry! Anyway guys, yung nearest train station dito is Crongton-Bori Station. Then, exit lang kayo sa exit 4. Then, 8 to 9 minutes daw walk siya. Pero, medyo nagpatak yung ulan. Umaambon kasi kanina guys. Kaya ayun, we've decided na mag-bolt na lang. And, yung nabayaran namin sa Bolt is 63 baht and then yung binayad na lang namin is 70 baht para I know konti lang yung tip pero yun na lang yung binigay namin. Which is yung Bolt driver pala namin guys is super siya accommodating niya, customer service wise amazing kasi siya walang masyadong language barrier. Siguro lang basta very accommodating siya na chika-chika talaga. No, talaga siya. He made sure na we are safe naman on our arrival dito and yan. Pero lang, medyo nagkalito lang ng konti dun sa pick-up point kasi nasa kabila kami kaya umakyat kami ulit dun sa Crongton-Bori exit 4 na stairs. Tapos ang haba guys, tapos doon kami nag-exit sa exit 3 na lang. Then kami na lang mismo yung pumunta dun sa Bolt rider. Pero okay lang naman and the service was super amazing. Ayan. So, later, try ko. Hala, umulan na! Hala ko, otoy! Guys, umulan! Because guys, we are planning to go sa Mahanakon Skywalk. It's like a rooftop bar. Guys, pero umulan. Yun sanang sunset yung plan namin, pero walang sunset na magagawa kasi very cloudy, walang sun dito. By the way guys, free wifi pala dito. Yun guys, so I don't know what shall we do. Okay, manifest natin na mag-stop yung ulan. Ayan. Mag-freshen up muna kami and mag-snacks. So, ayan. Later, guys, i-tour ko kayo dito sa building. And yeah, if in case you are interested here, I'll just put the links in the description box below and just check them out, guys. Ayan, see you later.